Hi guys, welcome to coin.com. In this video show you Ford Focus 2012 to 2018 Android multimedia system. Here is before installation, original car dashboard with one CD only and radio, just nothing else. And here we open the dashboard. Here this is after installation. Fully touch 10-inch Android multimedia system, 7.1 with 2 GB RAM, 16 GB internal memory. That with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mic. You can connect your mobile to Bluetooth, play music, dual receive call, iOS or Android mobile. CarPlay we will support. Android Auto also we will support. This with the rear camera. Here you can see the offline GPS. Once there's any doors opened, we will show you car logo and you the door front or rear is open. Steering wheel work directly. This volume plus, volume minus, reverse, next track. And the one in the rear, you put the rear. The big screen we will show you the rear and the side. This is this car logo we will show you. You can also you added the 3D 360 degrees camera. This is after before installation. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more information.